What is an equipment survey and why does it matter?
Now, this is a little more complicated than just figuring out what size furnace and air conditioner you already have. We're also going to be taking measurements on not just the equipment, but also on the ductwork. This allows us to figure out how much airflow you need to fill up that ductwork properly and deliver the proper amount of heating and cooling to the spaces in your home. Now, this is vitally important for the new equipment that we are installing because these fan motors are significantly more sensitive to the differences in static pressures and things that kind of the old motors really weren't. But they do tend to pressurize the ductwork a lot better, so you usually will get a lot better airflow all over the home, so long as we do